How to pin chat on Instagram on your iPhone. Pinning chats on Instagram allows you to keep important conversations at the top of your direct messages, making them easily accessible. This is especially useful for frequently contact friends or important discussion. To pin chats, first of all, you have to go through your Instagram application. From there, simply press long on that message that you want to pin. Then pop-up will be up here. There you will see pin option. If you don't see this pin option, that might be reason because this is not available in newer version of Instagram. If you want pin chats feature available on Instagram, then you have to use older version of Instagram. For that, go through your Safari or any other browser and search for older version of Instagram and download it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.